Hi student, on that day I told you about the objective of United Nations. Today I'll be telling you about the organs of United Nations. So the basically there are six organs of the United Nations. The first is General Assembly, second is Security Council, third is Economic and Social Council, fourth is Trusteeship Council, fifth is International Court of Justice, and sixth is Secretariat. Okay. So the first is like General Assembly. It comprises all the members of United Nations and each member has equal representative. It is the highest deliberative organ of the UN. Okay. And its headquarter is located in New York. Then functions of General Assembly. Functions of General Assembly. It looks after the overseas budgets of United Nations. Okay, discuss the international issues, supervise the activities of UN organ, elect member to the Economic Social Council and Trusteeship Council. Participation in the election of judges of the International Court of Justice take place. Then second one is the Security Council. The Security Council is the executive body, also called as a powerhouse or the enforcement wing of the United Nations. Okay. So in this, its functions of Security Council is to maintain international peace and security, establish international economic sections on the nation engaged in violence, and third is like authorize military action against the aggressor country if in case it is required. Then this was the second one, and the third one is Economic and Social Council. Economic and Social Council consists of 54 members. They are elected by General Assembly for the time duration of 3 years or 3-year term. Okay. And its function is to promote employment, higher living standards and conditions that can improve economic and social progress of the countries, promote economic growth of developing countries, support human rights and nurture world cooperation to fight over poverty. And it coordinates with like World Health Organization, WHO, UNESCO, United Nations Scientific Education Cultural Organization. Okay, UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program, UNHCR. Okay, so and its headquarters is located in New York in USA. Then this was that, and after that the Trusteeship Council. Trusteeship Council helps to promote the interest of the resident of these colonies and territories and assess their development towards the self-government. And then come the International Court of Justice. The main motive is like if anything is occurring worldwide na, and if that problem is not getting solution, so in that case we prefer going to the International Court of Justice. Okay. And it is located at Peace Place, that is Hague, Netherlands. Okay. Also called World Court. International Court of Justice is also called World Court. Each judge is from a different nation, and in this International Court of Justice, each judge is from different nation, and has a time period of serving is 9 years. Okay. Its function is to settle legal disputes between states and according to the international laws, and to give advisory opinion on legal questions referred to it by authorized UN organ and special agencies. Okay. And baki remaining I'll explain you in another video. Okay, thank you. Ask questions if necessary, or if if in case of doubt. Thank you.